Hi guys, welcome to Total Evelyn and to this new vlog, which is fighting the frump. Now I remember I did a vlog on fighting the frump a year ago. I decided that I would do another one this year because maybe you're still not taking head to fighting the frump. And I'm actually a bad example as well because I do have to fight the frump quite a lot. Today I've got my big heels on, so that is definitely not fighting the frump. I'm going out shopping today and I'm going to do a bit of shopping for things that you know that you like to wear day in and day out. Not to get too comfortable, join me after the break and I'm going to tell you all about it, what to do and what not to do. Join me after the break. Going to have a coffee. See you soon. Welcome back to Total Evelyn. You'll be wondering why there's two coffees here. This is just a short vlog because I'm expecting someone. I'm working with someone today. We're going to be working from one of the apartments. And then hopefully that'll be a short little chat because I've got serious shopping to do. I really do. I'm going to give you the tips today, as I said before the break, on what you should buy, what's good and what's not to buy, and what's not too comfortable to stick to because we all get very comfortable. These are a definite great lose the frump kind of style. Hold on a second. I'm going to take this jacket off. Okay. The jacket is just an old classic black blazer. It is a really good quality jacket, but quite equally you could just buy something from Zara. These are Zara, these trousers. Now, they're just plain £25 guys, you can't be worrying too much about that. The top is another good classic, easy enough to wear, just casual, makes you feel good. Bright, cheery. What not to do, and I know you do it, because I've been watching all the people that follow me here on my vlogs. You're watching me, but I'm watching you as well. And sometimes I'm seeing, and you send me comments saying, oh Evelyn, thank you so much for the tip. And I've lost the old brown jumper now. I've lost the old grey jumper now. In fact, let's get comfortable. I'm going to sit in the living room. Let's just sit down here. It's very important to dress smart when you're working. Don't you agree? I think you've got to be smart. So presentation is key, always, right? You don't have to go about in them. I know I keep bringing up these shoes, but these are so versatile, these shoes. They're very comfortable, girls, honestly. They are not uncomfortable. I know they look it, but they're not. And they're very dressy. So get a pair of sort of nice clomper shoes if you can walk in them. And that'll really make you feel tall and quite smart, you know. Even if it's for a meeting and you just wear them until after the meeting, then you can throw them in the car or you can get rid and put your trainers back on. But the point of losing the frump is to stop wearing the trainers every day, because trainers and leggings is a no. Don't wear them, they don't look good. They might be good for lounging around, just lying watching the TV, but they're not really going to make you feel fantastic. So if you put a nice pair of black trousers on like what I'm wearing, a pair of heels, you've got that business deal or you've got that appointment that you have to go to, something that's actually really going to be something that you want, you know, something that's worthwhile, then you're definitely going to achieve it. I always say dress smart, feel smart, and act smart. Act smart, I'm acting smart right now. I'm acting smart, all right, right. Okay, I'm not being a smart aleck, but listen, if you want to achieve something, then you have to dress, you have to agree with me on that. You're not going to get the deal if you go up there with the business jumper on, like the brown jumper or the grey jumper and the leggings and the trainers. That's not happening, definitely not. So guys, you need to get your shit sorted out. Get yourself sorted, and maybe you could replace these with a pair of boots, you know, just a nice pair of, even dressy boots. You can wear nice smart boots with a nice pair of trousers, maybe a white shirt, maybe a nice jacket or something. But you really have to lose the frump. And when I say lose the frump, I don't say just you lose the frump. I've had to lose the frump as well. I have kids as well. I've had 3 girls I had 3 girls, and there was a time when I was wearing the leggings and I was wearing the t-shirts and the brown jumper and the grey jumper, getting too comfortable with yourself. And the other thing that I did say on my last video, which was last year's, I really want you to go and watch that video because it's quite a fun video. And what I was saying then was, sometimes we really don't want to lose the frump because we actually don't think that we deserve to have something nice because we've got our kids, so we just spend our money on all our kids. But you know, there becomes a time when your kids grow up and you've not got that excuse anymore. So you need to go and buy yourself something nice and feel good about yourself, honestly. So anyway, I think I better move because I've got to meet this guy, and hopefully I'm going to get the deal. This is a business transaction. So I'm going to be meeting this guy and I'm going to be taking on a new property. I've put in my head, this property is already mine because I'm dressed smart, thinking smart, I'm working hard. I'm going to get that deal and I'm going to tell you all about it. So I'll catch you soon, guys. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I hope it was of value to you. And as always, if you're enjoying my videos, then please subscribe, like, share and all that jazz. And just give me some comments, let me know how I'm doing. And if you're taking anything from it, even if it's something that you don't like, then just put it in the comments. I want to hear all about it. And lose that frump. See you soon next week. Take care. Bye.